Hey everyone! The OnePlus Pad 2 Pro enters the Android tablet market with a bold promise, top-tier performance, sleek design, and high-end specs that directly rival not just other tablets, but flagship smartphones as well. Announced to be available for pre-order on May 13, 2025, the same day Samsung officially unveiled its thinnest flagship yet, the Galaxy S25 Edge, the timing seems more than coincidental. Both devices are reported to measure around 6 millimeters in thickness, setting the stage for a head-to-head clash in ultra-thin premium tech. The Pad 2 Pro is confirmed to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite chipset, a cutting-edge processor that also headlines several premium 2025 Android phones. Paired with that chip is a substantial RAM and storage offering, starting at 8 and 256 gigabytes, and scaling up to a flagship-level 16 gigabytes RAM with 512 gigabytes of storage. That already gives it an edge over the Galaxy S25 Edge, which is rumored to peak at 12 gigabytes of RAM, despite sharing the same processor tier. The display on the Pad 2 Pro is expected to be a significant highlight. At 13.2 inches, it surpasses the previous OnePlus Pad 2 in size and boasts a 3.4K resolution with a 144 Hz refresh rate. OnePlus is branding it as an original color panel, suggesting strong calibration and vivid output, though it will likely be IPS rather than AMOLED, a distinction that may sway users who prioritize deep blacks and high contrast. In contrast, S25 Edge is almost certainly equipped with a high-end AMOLED display, which is Samsung's forte. Battery life on the tablet also appears to be well accounted for. A generous 12,140 mAh battery powers the device, and it supports 67-watt charging via USB-C. This setup should ensure long screen-on time with rapid top-ups, which is essential for both media consumption and productivity on a large tablet. Interestingly, the Pad 2 Pro is essentially a rebranded Oppo Pad 4 Pro, something OnePlus hasn't explicitly highlighted, but which has become increasingly obvious as more details leak. This means that while it's not an entirely original product from the ground up, it still benefits from Oppo's strong hardware design and OnePlus's software polish and ecosystem integration. In terms of aesthetics, OnePlus is offering the Pad 2 Pro in two exclusive finishes, Glacial Silver and Deep Sea Blue. These new colorways, along with the ultra-slim chassis, position tablet as a sleek and desirable gadget, ideal for users who want performance without sacrificing style. Overall, the OnePlus Pad 2 Pro looks like a serious contender in the Android tablet space. Its large, high-refresh display, robust hardware, and premium design put it in the running not just against Samsung's tablets, but even its smartphones. The only caveat might be the IPS panel for those seeking AMOLED visuals. But for most users, the combination of raw power, sleek design, and high-spec display will make this an attractive choice, especially at a time when tablets are regaining relevance for both entertainment and productivity. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, I look forward to them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.